back to the another video. To clear out the skin, first of all make a duplicate copy of your image. After that, go to the vivid light. After that, go to the image, click on adjustments and press invert like this. After that, go to the filter, go to the others, click on the high pass here and adjust it according to your preference. After that, again go to the filter, go to the blur, select the Gaussian blur and adjust it. So okay. After that, create a mask, the layer mask. Click on it and the mask is created. Now click on the mask, press Ctrl I to invert it. After that, select the brush, select the white color here and now start cleaning the face like this. Do it from like every place and this process will make it look real like this. Go to every place where you get the acne on your pic like this. Do it through pore cleaning, okay? Okay guys, so in this way you can easily remove or clear out any skin. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please keep watching for more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Bye. 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 Bye.